Okay, here we go. So, homework tonight, you're going to be going into lesson 3. And did I ever write that down? But anyways, lesson 3 is going to be talking about perimeter. Okay? So we're going to be talking today about, I should be using a black. We're going to be talking about perimeter. And I know you guys know this stuff, but it's going to help to just go over it real briefly. So, what is the perimeter of this shape? Indu. How'd you get it? Well, just give me the definition of perimeter.
Because it's like all the way around.
Right.
Like
So this is a field.
around.
This is a field, and Carpenter Indu has been asked to build a fence around the field. That is the perimeter. It's the distance around the edge. So it's this plus this plus this plus this, right? So it's going to be that. If that's 2, this is 2. If this is 4, this is 4. I'm assuming these are right angles. Then what I did is true. So it'd be, 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12, right? We're just adding all the sides together. What's the perimeter of this? This is 3, 3, and 2. What's the perimeter of that? Yeah, Amy.
8.
Yes, 8, right? That's the perimeter. Okay. What's the perimeter of this? And let's say that's a regular, and all the sides are the same, and all the angles are the same, and that's a 2. Yes, Clay. So we got how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 sides. 8 times 2 is 16. You got it. That would be the perimeter. You're just adding 2 plus 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 2 equals 16, right? Okay. So those are the easy ones. Then they get harder, right? And you guys will remember these kind of problems. But what if you have, I think you will, I think some of you have at least had these. But what if I gave you something like this? What if I gave you boom, 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 boom. And I said this is 9, and this is 15, and this is 4, and this is 3, and this is 5, and this is 5. How would you find the perimeter? First of all, do we know all the sides?
Yes.
Oh no, we don't know all the sides. Oh, impossible. Can't do it, right? That's what you say. Impossible to solve. How do you solve it? So Nathan, help us.
You have to find the inside side. You have to
See, it's
subtract.
this side right here that we're missing, right?
You have to subtract 4 and 3 from 15.
Okay, so we know from here to here is 15, and we know from here to here is 3, from here to here is 4. So if all this whole thing from here to here is 15, right? So if we subtract 4 and 3 from 15, we'll figure out what this is. So 15 minus 4 is 11, minus 3 is 8. So this is going to be 8 right here. Beautiful. Now, can we figure out the perimeter?
Yeah.
Absolutely. So yes, Alex, what would it be? 58. Okay, I'm going to take your word for it. This is also a 9, right? And has to be because this is 5 and this is 5. And then one last thing before you leave. One last thing. You're going to see this in your book, right? In your lesson. That's a pretty good circle. Really good. What do you call the perimeter of a circle? Yes. Circumference, right? So circumference is the same thing. It's just, it's for a circle. And the formula for the circumference of a circle, does anybody know it? You guys all know that that's the radius, right?
Yes.
And you guys all know that this is the diameter. Okay, so you can write it based on radius or diameter. So circumference of a circle, who knows it? Okay, Landon. Pi times the diameter. And then Kareem, is there another way to write it in relation to the radius?
Radius times 2
Yeah,
pi.
exactly. So you could also say circumference is 2 pi r. Exactly. So yes. Yeah.
What numbers do you want us to do?
Oh yeah, that's it. Okay. So homework tonight. Actually, homework is actually going to be due on Monday, and I'm going to pass it out, and it's going to be reading 4 chapters, 4 lessons. Okay, so you want to do at least 1 lesson a night, and you're going to. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Stop that. I forgot to stop.